Hello, my name is Ash, a counselor in training. This is my Relatable study podcast for individuals who need help studying for their NCE, CPCE, and other related counseling exams. I'm going to go through many questions from multiple resources and make the answers relatable to both you and me. So get your listening ears on and let's get studying. What is the function of polls in counseling research? A. Provide a detailed analysis of individual client cases. B. Gather broad and quantitative data on opinions from a larger group. C. Diagnose mental health conditions in individual clients. D. Replace more comprehensive assessment methods in clinical settings. The answer is B. Gather broad and quantitative data on opinions from a larger group is the function of polls in counseling research. For example, a few topics of a few polls would be help-seeking behaviors, stress and coping, self-care and well-being, so on and so forth. What is regression? Regression is a psychological defense mechanism in which individuals will cope with stressful or anxiety-provoking situations or relationships that will have them retreating to an earlier stage of development. For example, if an older individual is hospitalized after being diagnosed with an illness, they may deal with their circumstance by curling into the fetal position or clutching a stuffed animal. A client who takes a normative test, A, cannot legitimately be compared to others who have taken the test. B, can legitimately be compared to others who have taken the test. C, cannot have taken an IQ test. D, cannot have taken a personality test. The answer is B. A client who takes a normative test can legitimately be compared to others who have taken the test. A normative interpretation is one in which the individual's scores is evaluated and then compared to others who have taken the same test. The other three answers all have cannot or could not in it, and it rules it out. Normative tests can be compared to others who have taken the test. What is regression analysis? Regression analysis is a statistical method utilized to predict one variable based on another. It estimates the relationship between the dependent variable to one or more independent variables. If you are not strong in statistics, I highly recommend looking into the regression analysis. According to Holland's theory of vocational personality and work environments, which of the following best describes the process of achieving job satisfaction, and success? A. Find work environment that conflicts with one's personal vocation personality to encourage adaptability. B. Choose a career based solely on financial incentives. C. Align one's vocational personality type with a compatible work environment. D. Prioritize high-status job positions regardless of personal interests. The answer is C. Align one's vocational personality type with a compatible work environment best describes the process of achieving